Have you ever looked at a presentation and noticed how images inside circles or other shapes instantly look more polished and creative? The good news is, you can do the same thing in Google Slides, and it's much easier than you might think. Start by opening Google Slides and adding an image to your slide. You can do this by clicking Insert from the top menu, choosing Image, and then selecting a file from your computer or Google Drive. Once your image is on the slide, click on it to make sure it's selected. When the image is selected, you'll notice some extra options appear in the toolbar at the top. Look for the Mask Image tool. It's the small arrow pointing down next to the regular crop icon. Click on this arrow, and you'll see a menu filled with different shapes. For this demonstration, let's try a circle. Hover over the Shapes section, scroll through the options, and select the circle. Instantly, your image will transform into a neat circular frame. This simple change immediately makes your presentation look more professional and visually appealing. But don't stop there. You can experiment with other shapes too. Maybe a star for something fun, a rounded rectangle for a modern look, or even arrows if you're emphasizing direction. Each shape can completely change the tone of your slide. Once you've applied the shape, you can still resize the image by clicking and dragging the corners. That way, you can make sure it fits perfectly with the rest of your layout. If you want to reposition the image inside the shape, double-click it, and you'll be able to adjust the crop area. And that's all it takes. With just a couple of clicks, you can crop an image into a shape in Google Slides and instantly elevate the design of your presentation. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tips that help you create slides that truly stand out.